Hello and welcome to my new video. And in today's video, I'll be showing you what's in my bag. These are actually the kind of videos I like to watch, and things I'm gonna show you today is not really something usual. You might find things that are unexpected. However, I think it might actually be quite useful for some of you. And I didn't prepare for this video at all. So this is exactly what's in my bag. I didn't prep. So I'll show you my realistic what's in my bag. Begin. First and foremost, power bank, which I think is quite self-explanatory. What else do we have? Sunglasses, a must-have now during the summer times. Actually, this is one of my favorite pairs, which I got at a vintage store. Love them. Up next, we've got 3 types of lip glosses. This is a lip balm with an SPF, which I really like. And then 2 of my favorite lip glosses. I actually hate lipstick because it's very sticky, but this is the Dior Lip Glow Oil. It's oil-based, it's not sticky at all, and so is this. This is clear, and this has a little reddish tint from Clarins in the color Cherry, my faves. So I have them too. Next up, we have some Snackaroos, M&Ms. Always have them in my bag. My favorite candy must be M&Ms. So we have this. Talking about snacks, I have a protein bar with me always at all times in case I get hungry or need a snack. You never know. Just gotta be prepared. What else do I have? This. This is a magical stain remover. A must-have for all my fashion girlies, boys, must have. Antibacterial wipes, self-explanatory. In the same category, I have a sanitizer. Okay, I guess the same category. Tons of plasters. Because if you know, you know. When you need them, lifesavers. I also have measuring tape. This is actually from in my bag ever since I went to a fashion exhibition. But also a very useful thing to have. Doesn't take up much space, so why not, right? Next up, we have this. And this is a spray for sunglasses and just to wipe off any screens. Doesn't leave any residue. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Also a must-have. Actually, a little hack for you. Whenever I go out and then I need to take like a vitamin that I usually take with the food, but I'm not home, I usually put them in the Kinder Egg. And this is actually left, I think, yesterday's. I forgot. I went out for breakfast, and usually after breakfast I take a vitamin pill that I need to take. And I forgot to take it, but a little hack for you. AirPods, self-explanatory. My magic water bottle is just a travel makeup bottle I'm using, and I just washed it and put some filtered water inside. And I have it just in case I have coffee, because after coffee really stains your teeth, and I just have it with me just to rinse and kind of save my teeth. Great hack. I have tons of wallets. 3. I need to sort these out. This is a little too much and excessive because it is quite heavy, but I have my wallet with all the cards and all that. Actually, most of them are cards. I don't think many people carry cash nowadays. However, in this one, I borrowed this from my sister. Don't judge me. I have this thing you probably seen on Reels and TikTok. Magical key. Has a ruler, a screwdriver, an opener, a really sharp angle here, which I can open boxes instead of ruining my nails. Love it. Pretty handy too. Let's talk hair. I have a lot of hair clips for every situation. This is just a tiny one and a big one if I want to tie all my hair up, and a huge silk hair tie. Self-explanatory too. Oh, I have a permanent marker. You never know when you need to label something, right? Doesn't take much space, but when you need it, comes in very handy. We have chewing gum. I rarely chew gum, but this is for the special occasions. When you have a meeting or you had some garlic pasta, whatever. Good to have. I also have some always carry antihistamine tablets. If not for you, for someone, might be useful. Antihistamine tablets, if you don't know, is something like if someone has a mild allergic reaction or summer hay fever, comes in handy. And that's pretty much it. I only have some perfume samples I sampled. But yeah, so this is pretty much everything that's in my bag. You could call it too much, but when some of these things come in handy, you thank yourself. So I hope this was maybe somewhat useful. You found some new things you haven't seen before, probably like the stain remover. Highly recommend to always have on hand. And yeah,